Customizing your home screen makes life with a smartphone even more convenient. Hopefully you are tapping into the power of widgets. Deseret News columnist Amy Iverson is here. Do I get to ask the question, what is a widget?
What's a widget?
I'd like to. I would like to open with that question.
Okay, it's fine. It's so good to know because all those apps you love, maybe you're using them every day, a lot of them have widgets, which is a way to put it on your home screen or your lock screen so you can see the relevant info at a glance. You don't have to open the app. You can just glance over and see whatever you're wanting to see without opening your app.
Okay, so if my screen's locked?
If it's locked or on the home screen. So
or on the home
either
screen.
Of those places. Apple is a little more limiting on what it allows you to put on the home screen, or on the lock screen, but home screen, go for it.
Open game. How do you add them to your screen?
So you know when you're moving apps around, you hold down, the apps jiggle. That's what you do, but you probably never noticed there's a little plus sign in the upper corner. You hit that, it gives you a list of all the widget possibilities, and you pick one and stick it on there.
Is it just me? Does widget sound like a swear word?
Widget? Oh, I think it sounds like whimsical, like fun.
Every time you say it, I'm like, oh, can we say that? Oh, all right, just me. What types of widgets are most popular?
So there's kind of the obvious ones people love, like your photos. You like to see those when you glance over, your calendar, your clock, your reminders. But I'm going to give you some ideas of ones you might not think of as obvious, but you will love once you stick them on your phone.
All right, 5 categories of widgets to put on your home screen. First, TripIt.
Yeah, so I've talked about the app, TripIt. This is all things travel. So what the widget does, you stick this on your home screen, you can glance over, it'll show your flight number, your gate number, departure times,
Slick.
things like that. And then as you move through your day, it changes. So then once you land, then that information changes to your rental car information or your hotel information. You never have to open the app. It's right there on your home screen.
You think how much you would, though, open that app if you were trekking and traveling.
I do.
That is so convenient.
Yes.
All right, next, Google Fit or Apple Fitness. Do I really want to see my calories at a glance?
I don't, but you know, people who wear Apple Watches, that's what they're doing, right? So this is a way, maybe if you don't want to do the Apple Watch, but you still want to have that information, Google and Apple Fit and Fitness both have this widget where you can just glance at your phone. You can see, how am I doing on my steps today? Or you can choose like statistics or graphs or anything like that, just to at a glance see how you're doing.
Yeah, that makes sense. That's what people do want to know throughout the day. News, there's a place for a news widget.
I think a lot of people would like to stay up on current events, they just don't. So I'm saying this is a great way to do it because Google and Apple both have these options where it's just giving you the top headlines of the day, or you can pick like a topic. For me, maybe technology is what I have up there, right? The top 3 and the headlines. So just every once in a while, you look at your phone, you see what's happening in the world.
Okay, this next one sounds like a fun mom trick or grandma trick. At my house, we're currently counting down to 2 things: Boston's birthday, 17 days, and the Newport Beach vacation, which is like, you know, 100 and something days away. But we're counting down already, and there's a widget for that?
Yes, I mean, remember the days you used to have the big posters like for your mission and you're putting stickers on it? So these widgets are countdowns to whatever, whether it's your birthday or some other event. The one that I'm recommending, Time Until, that has those. Countdown has another option which I like, which is a count up. So since your first kiss, whatever it is that you want to like notice the days that have gone by and the minutes and the seconds, and you can just glance. And what a motivator to look over at your phone once in a while and see, oh, that Hawaii trip is this many hours and seconds away.
I love this so much. We all need that dangling carrot of anticipation and excitement, especially in the winter.
Yes.
How many countdown widgets can we have? I want 10.
You can have as many as you want, and you can put them in order of date.
Okay, I plan to do that with my kids today. Finally, Calm.
A lot of people use Calm. This is your meditation, your breathing exercises. And again, for me, this is just a really good reminder so that every time you look at your phone, maybe you see that prompt. Let's deep breathe. You tap on it, it takes you through some deep breathing exercises or through a 10-minute meditation. And it's just the fact that it's right there on your phone, so you're not going to look for it. It is a constant reminder of something that is good for you.
Fantastic. Amy, thank you so much. A widget, now we know, and we can use those as our home screen heroes going forward. We appreciate it. And we better get Amy's sweater linked on social because we're going to get lots of questions. Very cute. Very cute. Bringing the love.